Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I will be reacting to some EXO, and this is White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. And you guys have been requesting this. Now I'm kind of worried that it's gonna be blocked worldwide, but we'll see how that goes. If they don't unblock it, I'll put it for free on Patreon. But there will be pausing probably. If you're new here, I have a huge problem in this group, and his name is Shumin. So as soon as he's gonna appear on screen, I'm probably going to pause on him. Just so you know. Anyway, I am excited because you know how much I love watching EXO on stage. It's just my favorite thing. All right, I'm scared. I'm scared because it's always a lot. Should I take my light stick? No, it's whatever. All right, Lay. Hi. Oh my God, I'm just so happy to see him. We're just starting like this, huh? Okay, it's all right. It's not even 1 minute in. It's fine. We're just starting with Baekhyun and okay. They all look a little too good. Chanyeol looks so good. Get out. Oh, ever since his album, I don't know what happened, okay? I don't know what happened. But Kyungsoo has just been. I mean, I've always loved him, but something shifted. Okay, I don't know. He was just. I mean, because look at this boy being disrespectful, and then look at this little smile. He's so freaking cute. He's so cute. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. It's fine. All right. I'm sorry. Okay, Kai. See? Biggest problem. Biggest problem in the group. Because my reactor friends, they always lose their shit over Kai. I'm always fine with him. So it's really funny to me how much they're wrecked by Kai. And sometimes I think is that how they feel when they see me like losing my shit over Schumann? Is that how they feel? Do they think it's funny? Because honestly, Kai never attacks me. I'm always fine with him. It's literally really. I don't. Okay. Back to this little cutie. Him. Oh, it's this song. It was in the guide. It was in the guide, and I remember it. And I think I remember thinking, wow, this song sounds so good. Chan. Beautiful. I love his smile. I love him. I can't. Oh my God. It's 1 minute and 10 seconds. How many times have I paused and rewinded? This is, oh wow. It's dumb. It's dumb. I honestly, I would apologize, but it's what you get, okay? It's their fault. If you need to blame someone, blame them. I can't with him. I really can't. Okay, okay. Oh my god, Chanyeol! Suho. Is it gonna rain on them? Oh, the vocals. Lay. Wow. Okay. It looks so easy. Like he's just walking and he's singing as if like he's breathing, honestly. It's ridiculous. All of them, really. And once again, Suho always comes for me on stage. Never anywhere. What? Never anywhere else. Just on stage. I think that's really. It's funny. I don't know. Big yawn. Ah, I. Get him off my screen. Okay, Sehun. Chanyeol looks so good, I can't. Oh my god, his vocals. Hello? There's an angel on stage. There's an angel on stage. Okay, Baekhyun, get it. Stop! I swear, it's the eyes that get me all the freaking time. He needs to calm down. Like, direct eye contact. Oh my god, Chanyeol is adorable. I can't. God, his smile. I love his smile. I love that Kai. Really, he always looks like he knows how good he looks, like how attractive he is. As he should, because he is. Thunder. Oh. Why? Oh my god, that's adorable. That's probably like the cutest thing I've ever seen. Why? Oh wow. Ugh, I love it. I love this. This interaction. And still hitting those vocals. Stop looking at me, I swear. Oh, he went. Look at this boy. I love him so much. Oh, Kai went from like, hi, beautiful, like cute smile to like demon in like a second. Look at that. That's amazing. He's such an amazing performer. I saw it. Did you see it? Because I saw it. The body roll. I saw it. I saw it. Those two. But again, for real, Xiumin really is my favorite dancer. There's just something about the way he moves. I don't know, but he is my favorite dancer in the group. That's just how it is. I mean, of course, Lei, Kai, Sehun, everyone is amazing. Ooh. I love this song. Okay, Lei, stop. Oh, wow. Okay, okay. I love this song. EXO songs are dangerous, honestly. Oh, Sehun. Oh, that harmony, those harmonies. That was amazing. Okay, Chanyeol. Wow, he is a wrecker after all, but still. Oh my God, Kai. I think he's possessed. I think he is possessed. I mean, oh, Playboy, that's Playboy, okay. Honestly, I feel for you. Kai biases, I feel for you. It must be, honestly, I get it. I get it. I do know this song. I can't. It's fine. Why did you tell me to watch this? Because you love to see me suffer. Okay. Get him off. He sounds so good. Kai's range is amazing, honestly. Is that Baekhyun? Yeah. Yeah, that was him. Oh, wow. Ridiculous. Okay. See how he goes back to adorable? Oh. Oh, shoot. Is this because I see the is it that oh my god, Shumin is gonna kill me. As if he doesn't already. But I know it was not from this concert, it was from something else. But if it's the same choreo that I'm thinking about, his fan cam killed me. It was not this concert, but okay, is it that one? Okay. Okay. It's fine. I think it is. Oh no. I'm in trouble. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. It's this. Okay. I'm stressed. Yeah, it's this one. See, it's just the way he moves. It's just the way he moves. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't even like men, okay? What is going on? Why is Schumann such an issue? Whatever. He's stupid. I love Lei so much. Yeah. Suho. No. No. Okay. This is a very unique song, honestly. This is This is so stupid. This is so stupid. Okay. The little shoulder shake. Get him off my screen! Oh my god. I'm gonna punch him. And punch myself. No. I'm not even I'm not going back to this, okay? One time is enough. Okay, Dio. Okay, runs. God, he's so cute. I love Baekhyun. It's like a club song. That's a club song. They're really feeling themselves on this one. We're not done. Not the blindfolds. What is going on? At least I can handle Kai and Lei. I can handle it. It's fine. Oh, the blindfolds though. They're such good dancers. And they're on a platform. Wow. Oh, they're amazing. Okay. Wow, what a way to end this. We're finally done. Oh my god, finally. That was a lot. That was too much. Honestly, I'm sorry. I feel like I screamed a lot. So I apologize for all of headphones users. I apologize. But that was stupid. Okay. Wow. Anyway, no, but for real though, there are incredible performers. The vocals, the dancing, it's always perfect. It's always so good. I just, yeah, that's just EXO for you. They're just so good. They're so good. Okay. I think I'm gonna end it here because I don't have any words. Like, I'm not even going to comment on what just happened. Except that was amazing. Because I think I've said enough during the reaction. But they kill it like all the time, and I love them, and that was great. Thank you, I guess, for recommending this to me. Yeah, that was something. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed watching with me, and if you did, don't forget to comment, like, and maybe subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Twitter, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.